Hi friends, welcome to my presentation. I am Bindu studying in 2nd BPC from TTWREIS Girls, Mahbubnagar. Today, I am before you to present an interesting topic from botany. Before presenting my topic, let me ask you a question that whom do you think is a really healthy person? Yes, the answer is the person who is physically and mentally being strong without any diseases is known as an healthy person. As well as, I would like to remind you all a popular proverb, that is, health is wealth. What do you understand by this proverb? Yes, this proverb actually means that health is more important to everyone than money. So, we need to give first and higher priority for our health. For that, we need to take a diversified diet with cereals, pulses along with micronutrients as in form of vitamins as well as minerals which are present in fruits and vegetables. So, to be a healthy person, we need to take a diversified diet. For that, we need to take cereals, pulses along with micronutrients. So, let us see how is our world's and India's health condition right now. This graph represents that majority of people in world and India are suffering from the problem of hidden hunger. Hidden hunger? What is hidden hunger? This word is new to you, right? Let us know about it. Hidden hunger is nothing but the food or diet which is intaken by you is consist of insufficient micronutrients that may lead to the problem of hidden hunger. So, we came to an understanding that hidden hunger is nothing but the food or diet which is intaken by you is consist of insufficient amount of micronutrients may lead to the problem of hidden hunger. So, in this graph you can see clearly that the maroonish red color indicates extremely severe in case of hidden hunger. The red color indicates severe, yellow color indicates moderate and grey color indicates not estimated. So, if you see the graph carefully, majority of countries are suffering from the problem of hidden hunger. So, we can see that how critical it is. And if you observe carefully, each and every corner of our world is consist of certain percentage of hidden hunger problem. So, in that, let us see how is our India situation. Our India is also in form of extremely severe in the case of hidden hunger. So, in this graph, you can see the India map and its health condition. Madhya Pradesh is the only state which is consist of large amount of hidden hunger people index in it. So, the surrounding states are also in trap of hidden hunger, as well as day by day, the problem of hidden hunger is increasing. What could be the solution for this? Let us see. And let us see that where do the hidden hunger show more impact on our India. So, here this slide gives us a clarity that impact of hidden hunger mostly in rural areas. So, I think there is a question raised in your mind that why we should fight against the problem of hidden hunger. Let us see. Here the slide indicates the consequences as well as problems faced by the problem of hidden hunger. Over 2 billion children every year are facing this problem, and India ranks 97th among 118 nations in the index of hidden hunger. It shows a critical situation, and over 48% children under 5 years are not getting the proper amount of micronutrients and they are stunted growth, and 60% are anemic, and 70% consume less than 50% of daily needed micronutrients. And the picture also indicates you that hidden hunger is also seen in children's, adults as well as old age people. And here you can see clearly that hidden hunger is the word new to us now. But to say actually hidden hunger is a global problem in which the entire globe is suffering from the problem. And if you see, over 2 billion people are suffering from the problem of hidden hunger worldwide. It shows the critical condition of our India as well as world. And 1 million children every year are dying due to the deficiency of micronutrients as in form of zinc, iron and vitamin A. And the impact of hidden hunger is mostly seen as in form of stunning growth in children, weak immune system, impaired brain functions as well as anemia, low energy level. So, we had seen the consequences of hidden hunger, how it impacts on children as well as on adults and old age people. Here, the next slide shows you that there are some micronutrients. To say you all actually, the diseases in India are mainly caused due to the deficiency of 4 micronutrients. They are iron, zinc, vitamin A as well as iodine. due to these deficiencies, children and people are getting the diseases. So, the deficiency of iron shows the symptoms as heart problems as well as depression, fatigue and breathing level, shortage of breathing as in form of asthma and low IQ. And next, the deficiency of zinc shows the symptoms as depression as well as low hair fall and as well as health problems. And the next one, deficiency of vitamin A shows the symptoms as dry eyes, poor wound healing as well as problems related to health. Last, iodine deficiency, the symptoms are pregnancy problems as well as menstrual cycle changes. So, this indicates us how severe we are facing the problem of hidden hunger. So, what could be the solution for the problem of hidden hunger? Let us see. So far, our Indian government and many industries were trying to solve the problem of hidden hunger by the process of food fortification. Food fortification? What is this? We are hearing many new words, right? Let us know about food fortification. Food fortification is nothing but adding the micronutrients directly to the grains is known as food fortification. Here it means adding the micronutrients. It means zinc, vitamin A and iron are directly added to the grains is known as food fortification. Even though food fortification is introduced in our India, it is having certain limitations. Let us see what are they. Here in this picture you can see the process of food fortification. Here to perform the process of food fortification it requires costly machineries. It is a big problem to us as well as limitation. So our Indian government has implemented few schemes to implement the food fortification process. First is Poshan Abhiyan scheme. Poshan Abhiyan scheme, it is a scheme which is implemented by our Indian government for pregnant women, lactating mothers as well as children. But there is a limitation that it is not given to the old age people as well as adults. I have a sample of Balamritam. This is one of the sample of Poshan Abhiyan scheme. If you see carefully, this Balamritam is made up of iron, calcium, zinc, vitamin A, vitamin B and as well as vitamin C. It means this is a sample product of Poshan Abhiyan scheme which is given to our Indian people by the Indian government. If you see carefully, I think every village people are getting the Poshan Abhiyan scheme as in form of Balamritam, right? Yes. The next one is implemented as vitamins and mineral capsules. We all know that if we take tablets more, it may cause overdosage as well as side effects. Here I have a sample of vitamin tablets as well as iron tablets which are introduced by our Indian government to enhance the nutritional values. But if we take these tablets more, this may cause overdosage as well as side effects. This is a limitation. And the next one is supplementary processed food. What is supplementary processed food? Let us know about it. Supplementary processed food is nothing but whenever we watch a phone or else we watch TV, we'll generally see the ads as Boost, Complex, Cerelac. These type of drinks are given as in the ads by mainly industries. Here they are adding the micronutrients to the products directly. So I have a drink product as a sample, but to say you actually it is also having a limitation. Let us know what is the limitation. Here this sample is made up of iron, zinc and as well as vitamin A. To say you all actually there is a big limitation that as we all know people in India as village people they are economically poor. They cannot afford more to buy fruits, vegetables as well as this supplementary processed food because this is a product which is of 450 grams but its cost is 450 rupees. So it shows a limitation. Even though the supplementary processed food and Poshan Abhiyan scheme, vitamins and mineral capsules as in form of food fortification are introduced as, but they are having the limitations. So what could be the solution for the problem of hidden hunger? Let us see. So I have a best solution and permanent solution for the problem of hidden hunger, that is biofortification, a strategy to enhance food quality. That is my today's topic, biofortification, a strategy to enhance food fortification. So I think there is another question raised in your mind, that what is biofortification? This word is actually new to us. Let us know about in detail. I'll explain you. Let me take an daily life example. A child in her childhood, if you see, if she is meant to learn good qualities, good habits, while growing she will develop it, and at the adult stage she will have all the good qualities as well as good characters. So as in that format, the micronutrients are directly added to the grains as well as crops at the growing stage itself. It means they are adding the micronutrients directly to the crop at the growing stage itself is known as biofortification. So today's objectives of my topic are types of biofortification, challenges faced in biofortification as well as implementation of biofortification. So let us see the types of biofortification. Here I think there is another question is raised in your mind that biofortification is a process. Are there any process in that? Yes, there are different types. There are three types. They are agronomic biofortification, conventional breeding, and as well as genetic engineering. Genetic engineering, this word is related to zoology, right? Let us know about it. First one is agronomic biofortification. Agronomic biofortification is nothing but here the nutritional fertilizers are directly added to the crops is known as agronomic biofortification. But it has a limitation, that is the added micronutrients should be organic. The second one is conventional breeding. What is conventional breeding? To say you all actually, conventional breeding is also known as selective breeding. I think there is a thought strike in your mind that selective breeding is selecting something. Yes, that is right. Actually, to say about selective breeding or conventional breeding, I have two desired crops. In one crop, there is a big fruit but not so sweet. Second plant has small fruit but it is so sweet. If hybridization between these two plants takes for certain generations of time, then F1 generation plant is produced with the needed qualities as well as characters from the both plant as big fruit and so sweet. So this is known as selective breeding. And the third one is genetic engineering. This zoology word is critical to us. Let us know about it in detail. Genetical engineering is nothing but inserting the genome of DNA into new plant to enhance the nutritional values is known as genetic engineering. So these are the types of biofortification. Let me show you an sample of the biofortification. Here we can see the sample of biofortification. Here first one is agronomic biofortification, conventional breeding as well as genetic engineering. So here I have the micronutrients which are present in form of organic form. I am pouring it directly to the grains crop is known as conventional breeding. Here the added micronutrients should be organic. And the second one is conventional breeding or else selective breeding. Here I have two desired plants in which it is vitamin A rich crop, iron zinc rich crop is the second rich crop. Here hybridization between these two plants takes certain generations of time, and the F1 generation plant is produced with iron, zinc and vitamin A with the needed qualities. And the third one is genetical engineering. I have a genome of DNA which I am inserting into a plant which is known as genetical engineering. So these are the three types of biofortification, and let us see the techniques of conventional breeding. Here to say a special thing about conventional breeding, presently in our India we are using the process of conventional breeding as in form of biofortification. Here on this slide you can see that I have two desired character plants. One is vitamin A rich crop and second one is iron zinc rich crop. Hybridization between these two plants takes certain generations of time, and the F1 generation plant is produced with the needed qualities whatever I need as in form of iron, zinc and vitamin A rich crop. So this is the process presently used in our India. So friends, I think that to implement something new, there should be a success story for that. Every person will definitely follow it due to the seeing of success stories. Here on this slide you can see the success stories of biofortified grains. These are the research papers as well as report papers which are given by our World Health Organization. The IRI, International Rice Research Institute, had created a bank of rice varieties of biofortification, and we can see that zinc rich crops are also biofortified. And next one is biofortified grains are being enhancing day by day. So these are the research papers which has been done by our World Health Organization, and this is a huge success for us. So next one is to say you all, actually at the beginning of my topic I had said you that there are 4 important micronutrients. They are iron, zinc, vitamin A and iodine. So the currently available biofortified grains in our India are iron, zinc, vitamin A. These are the currently used biofortified crops as well as grains. So iron biofortifies sorghum and beans. So to say you all a specialty about sorghum, sorghum is the first biofortified plant in our India. I think you had got a GK question, right? So sorghum is the first biofortified plant in our India. Next, zinc biofortifies wheat and rice. Vitamin A biofortifies maize and sweet potato. Iron and zinc together biofortifies pulses. So I had said you in the beginning of my topic that as people in villages are economically poor, they cannot afford more to buy fruits and vegetables which contain large amount of micronutrients. But by the process of biofortification, if you observe carefully, rice is the daily diet. It is taken by a poor person as a daily diet to the rich person. If you see Anil Ambani, it is a daily diet, right? So if we add the micronutrients directly to the rice crop, then it will absorb all the micronutrients and it will be consuming by all people. Then we can see an healthy person. So these are the currently available biofortified grains. And next, challenges. My God, what are challenges? Whenever we start something new, there will be definitely a challenge to stop us. But to say you all, actually, our biofortification has changed the challenges. It has overcome the biofortification, has overcome the challenges as in form of challenges. So let us see what are the challenges faced in the implementation of biofortification. Due to change in color and taste, many people hesitated to buy the biofortified grains as well as farmers also. We can see an golden rice. When the government has implemented the golden rice, due to change in color and taste, many people hesitated to buy the biofortified grains. The second challenge faced was lack of awareness in farmers. We all know that if we will not create awareness among everyone, the news will not spread easily. So there were no awareness among the farmers as well as people regarding the nutritional values of biofortification. And the third challenge is no enough supply of biofortified grains were given by our agricultural officers to the farmers. It also a big challenge. So I think you had understood a lot that our India is suffering from a problem of hidden hunger, and there our Indian government has implemented a solution, that food fortification. But the food fortification has limitations, and after that the biofortification, my topic, came into existence. So let us recollect what we had learned. At the beginning I had said you that our world in India is suffering from a problem of hidden hunger. It means the diet or food which is consist of insufficient micronutrients may lead to the problem of hidden hunger. And our Indian government came and it had created a change in form of food fortification. Even though food fortification had implemented, it was having certain limitations as in form of Poshan Abhiyan scheme, vitamins and mineral capsules, and the next one is supplementary processed food. But they were having the limitations. What should we do? At that situation, my topic came into existence as in form of biofortification. It was that biofortification is nothing but adding the micronutrients directly to the grains is known as biofortification. Here the micronutrients are directly added to the crop at the growing stage itself is known as biofortification. Biofortification was of 3 types. They were agronomic biofortification, conventional breeding as well as genetic engineering. Here in this agronomic biofortification, nutritional fertilizers were added to the crop, but the added nutritional fertilizers should be organic. Big problem to us and limitation also. The next one is conventional breeding. This idea was best, right? Conventional breeding is nothing but, here I took 2 desired characters of plant in which I have vitamin A rich crop, zinc and iron rich crop. Hybridization between these 2 plants took certain generations of time, and after that F1 generation plant produced with the needed qualities as zinc, iron and vitamin A with the needed qualities whatever I want. and we had learnt about the currently available biofortified crops in our India. They were iron, zinc and vitamin A. These were the currently available biofortified grains, and we had learnt about the success stories, right? And next, challenges which has trying to stop the biofortification, but the biofortification has overcome the challenge and it had created a huge change. So I would like to conclude my topic by to create we should conduct seminars as well as campaigns, because if we create these type of things, there may be a change in using the products of biofortified grains. And here you can see that by conducting seminars as well as campaigns, it may create a huge change in farmers as well as in people who are living the villages. As we all know that many people in villages are not educated. They don't know the meaning of biofortification. If we took a step forward and create awareness among them as in form of mandal level with the help of agricultural officers, we can create a awareness among them and the biofortified crops can be used. And the next one is agricultural officers should give the biofortified grains to the farmers, and it may create a huge change and it may proceed along. By that we can say that healthy India becomes wealthy India. So I think that you had learnt a lot by this. So at the beginning of my topic I had said you that there is a problem, hidden hunger. There was a solution created, food fortification, but it had limitations. After that biofortification came into existence, and after that the conventional breeding is presently used in our India. So I think you had learnt a lot of things from this. So if you see that it is carefully this problem, we should overcome it. And I give a request to everyone is that to learn and study the research papers as well as report papers which are given by our World Health Organization about the biofortified crops and as well as biofortified grains. And the next one is we should take care and you should see something that whether the biofortified grains are being used in our villages, in your locality, within your district. If the biofortified grains are used, try to implement it as in form of to create a huge change. If they are not used, with the help of agricultural officers, it is your responsibility to create awareness among the farmers to know the uses of biofortified grains. And the next one is we should take awareness about it. As an Indian, it is my responsibility to create awareness among you. I think I had created a little bit of awareness among you. As per the expectations of World Health Organization, till the year of 2030, the World Health Organization is expecting that over 1 billion people will definitely use the biofortified grains. But I question you is that why only 1 billion people should use the biofortified grains? As we all know that biofortified grains are more useful. They can enhance the nutritional values, right? I question you that why only 1 billion people? Why can't the entire globe use the biofortified grains and overcome the problem of hidden hunger? It is our responsibility, right? I think you are thinking that it is not my problem. You may be the next target of hidden hunger. Your parents, your children may be the next target. So it is our responsibility as a daughter of farmer and as a daughter of Indian. It is our responsibility to move forward and create awareness among the people regarding the biofortification and the uses as well as nutritional values which are present in the biofortification. So friends, I think that you had learned a lot, and I request you to create awareness among everyone. And I think that we had learned a quotation at the beginning. It means in our childhood that small change can create a huge big change. So start the small change by your step. You may create a small step. By that it may create a huge change and you may change the world. So I think you will definitely save our earth from the problem of hidden hunger by creating awareness among biofortification. So finally, I would like to thank the Telangana state government as well as I would like to thank our secretary sir Naveen Nicholas sir Garu, and I would like to thank our respected RCO sir of Mahabubnagar Nagarjuna Rao Garu, and I would like to thank our respected principal madam of TTWREIS Girls Mahabubnagar Rajni Ragalata madam for giving me this opportunity. And last but not least, I would like to thank my mentor teacher T. Swati madam, and I would like to thank my entire staff, teachers, sisters and friends who had supported me in this entire journey. And for last but not least, I would like to thank my parents for giving me this opportunity, as well as I would like to thank the TSAT team for cooperating me with this entire journey. And by your channel, I think I had created some of awareness among people regarding their health. Thank you.